Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Chinese pork jerky or 肉干 in Chinese. In Singapore we call it Bak Kwa. So let's start cooking. We are going to prepare the pork mixture for the jerky. We'll use 600 grams of collar butt here. You need some fats, hence I'm using collar butt. You can use pork belly if you want to, but they'll be a little bit too fatty for my liking. And now we are going to mince them up using my magic mix processor. I'm just going to mince this for a little while now, just to break it up a little. Okay, something like this first. And now we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Add in 100 grams of granulated sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine or huatiao. For our American friends or European friends, if you can't find huatiao, you can replace it with brandy, but do cut the portion by half. For coloring, we need 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. We will be using 3 tablespoons of honey. You can replace this with maltose if you want to. Mix them up well together. Let's have a look. This is how we want it to be. Very sticky. So what we're going to do next is we're going to remove this, put it in a bowl, cover it up, and marinate this in the fridge for at least 4 hours. I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll roll the meat mixture into a thin sheet like this, and I'll show you how to do this. Using a piece of baking paper, put it down. The quantity of pork that we used just now is enough to make into 2 pieces of Bak Kwa. So now we just put it down onto the baking paper, and using your spoon, the back of a spoon, just spread it out roughly like this. Pork jerky or Bak Kwa as we call it in Singapore is very delicious. I really do love this, but it's very expensive, especially during Chinese New Year. So it's good that you know how to do it yourself, so you can save quite a fair bit of money. And also you can, if you like it spicy, you can put some chili powder into this. Or if you like it to have a little bit of 5 spice kind of taste, you can add 五香粉 also, 5 spice powder. It's really up to you what kind of flavor you want. The one that I'm showing you right now is just the basic Bak Kwa or basic pork jerky. So once you've done something like this, what we need to do is tear up a piece of cling wrap, and we'll use a rolling pin and just flatten it out evenly. So I've done this. Just cover this up. Just lightly push it. Spread out evenly. We want the thickness to be approximately 1.5 to 2 nm. So when you have rolled to your desired thickness, heat up your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. We just need to set this in shape before we cut them, so that we can actually roast this into a very beautiful maroon color. Okay, so we are about done. So now for the thicker part itself, you can just always scrape it off a little. Place it at the other side so that I can roll it down. Okay, once this is done, we'll remove the cling wrap, and we are ready to put this in the oven. (160 degrees Celsius) for 15 minutes. 15 minutes is up. Let's take it out. Now the shape is already done. Be very careful because there's bound to be liquid. There's fats over there. So just pour out the fats. Most importantly, don't hurt yourself with the liquid. Right, we'll cut it into pieces when this cools down. And I'll show you how to cut this in a while. The pork jerky has cooled down. Now all we need to do is just cut it into 4 equal pieces and baste this with honey water. So starting from the center, you can use a knife if you don't have a pizza cutter. Just press it down and just go all the way through. For the honey water, I've used 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of hot water. So I'm going to brush this over the pork jerky. So they will become really nice and glossy. But sugar caramelizes easily, so later when we do the final step of roasting this to a very beautiful maroon color, be very careful, use your eye power, observe it. If it starts to burn, please take it out or turn it to the other side. We will use only the top heat from the oven. So once this is done, push it aside, you put it on the rack. We're going to put this in the oven at 230 degrees Celsius for approximately 2 minutes per side. But of course, if it starts to burn, please take it out and turn it to the other side depending on the heat that's emitting out from your oven. And do the same for the other side. Brush with honey water and then roast it again for another 2 minutes or so. Let's roast this now. I've heated my oven to 230 degrees Celsius. So I'm just going to put it at the topmost rack with only the top heating element on. Observe them. This will take at most 2 minutes or so. And now take this out and turn it to the other side and baste this and do this one more time. Turn this to the other side and we'll do the same. We'll baste this and then we will put this in the oven again. Do not worry if some of the edges are charred, you can always cut them off. This is normal. So once this is done, we'll put it in the oven and do the same again. Remember to always eyeball your delicious pork jerky because we don't want to burn them. Now we put it in again. Remember, most importantly, please do eyeball your pork jerky, otherwise you'll get burned easily because sugar caramelizes easily. Okay, the pork jerky is done. Let's take it out. Right. Our pork jerky is done. Let's have a taste. Very tender, sweet. I love this. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our Bak Kwa or pork jerky. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Take another one.